Namaskar. This is Dover, one city of Delaware, and I am going to show you the way people live in this city or state, the way of living, the style of roads, the style of houses, the type of trees, and all that. And I am just going to show you all that, and it is like this. And it is all like this. And the roads are very wide, the things are very systematic, the big trees, all that. Just see, the roads are very good. Just see the trees. The day is a little cloudy. And I am just walking slowly. This is RV. This is a style of bus which has everything in it: the refrigerator, the sleeping uh, arrangements, and all that. And I'm just walking slowly, and just see the type of trees. They are well groomed and very nicely. The dark color leaves. People are cutting their grass. You can listen the noise and all that. very quiet area. The big pine trees also there. The roads are very wide, very quiet. I am walking slowly and oh my goodness, just see a dry tree. Oh my goodness, it looks very nice, very nice, very nice dry tree, no leaves. There is a club on the back of this place you are looking at, and just see the color of the house. My goodness, very nice, very stylish. Just see the color combination, light pink and black, and very nice. Yes, again we are little ahead. This is again a new house. Okay, this is the state of Delaware and Dover is the city. You can see just on the back of this house there is a big club type of thing. Pine trees. Very interesting. Very nice. Just see the color of the house, yellowish and brownish. There is a small lake on the back of this. I don't know I can reach there or no. Reddish leaves of the tree and then pine trees again. It's very quiet, very quiet. Once a while you can see somebody, otherwise nobody is around. Just see, my goodness, a new type of color combination in the house. Very good, very good. Very interesting. Now I think this is the at the back of this is a club. The swimming pool is there of the club area. I am trying to reach that lake area. I don't know I can do that or no. All line of pine trees. This is all club area. The flag of America. There's some water, a lake type of thing on the back of these pine trees. Beautiful pine trees, my goodness, these 4 pine trees, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. There is one duck in that water. Very good, very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. All these pine trees, water, duck, all this. But no human being around, very quiet. Once a while a car goes by and very interesting. Just see the color of the leaves. It's yellow, reddish. Very good, very good. This type of thing, when we explore, when we walk, whatever possible we can do as per our situations, locations, and the limitations, we can reach nature, talk to the nature as per our time and all that, and empower ourselves. This is the only means of empowering self in this complex life, with the computers, with the cars, with all that sounds and all that, and different type of eating habits, eating things. Nature can help us a lot, really. Stay near nature, try to eat raw, organic, whatever is grown under the ground, just like garlic, onions, and this ginger root, all these things. So my main theme is to stay near the nature. Yesterday I showed Atlantic Ocean. Today I am showing the same area in the residential side of that and all that. So our goal, our aim, our mission, our focus is on the main thing: staying closer to Mother Nature, thinking about Mother Nature, walking with Mother Nature, eating as per the Mother Nature. Try to avoid the meat and all that. That will help build our immune system also. Light food, and we can stay away from corona also, because the immune is the main system. The fear, the scam they created, the fear in that is the main problem. People don't agree, but my conscious, my soul tells myself that it's the biggest scam of fear. Fear has gone up to that limit that is destroying our sensor system, and we are getting sick without meaning. So we will have to live in this world with the same things around. We can't give a big objection that all the people, millions, trillions of people are saying that this is there, how you can say it's not there. But we can keep our immune system perfect by staying closer to nature in all the aspects of our life. So आज हमने आपको ये डॉवर का इलाका, डेलवेयर के सिटी है, उसमें ये लोगों के रहने का तरीका, लोगों के खाने का तरीका, लोगों के यहाँ पे हाउस लाइफस्टाइल, पेड़ कैसे हैं, सड़कें कितनी चौड़ी हैं, ये क्लब है, इसकी गोल्फ कि ये पे लेक है, उसमें डक है, ये सारी चीज़ें, इसका क्या पर्पज़ है कि आप कुदरत के नज़दीक रहें, जो कुदरत कहती है वो करें, और उसके सिवा कोई चारा नहीं है। दैट्स द ओनली ऑप्शन। वो वही एक चीज़ है जो हमें बचा सकती है। थैंक यू। ओके, नमस्कार। आई विल सी यू अगेन।